Hey friends! Today we are doing yet another Happy Hamstery unboxing, and it's been so much fun to share all of these unboxing videos with you guys, and I hope you enjoy seeing them too. I'm extremely thankful to be a part of Happy Hamstry's ambassador program, which allows me to spoil the hamsters as well as talk about and share some of their amazing products with you all. So let's see what's in this month's order. Okay, I'm going to start by opening this item, and I had mostly forgotten what I ordered because this month has been so busy, but I do remember what this one is. It's the Mushroom Peekaboo Hideout. Okay, so this one is really large, and as soon as I saw it up on their website, I knew it was something that would go perfectly with my existing red mushroom themed collection. And now that I see it in person, this is absolutely amazing. Now, I would say this is suitable for a Syrian hamster in terms of size. The only thing is that the hole on the top part is a bit on the smaller side and probably more suited for a dwarf, but I'm sure a Syrian could squeeze through it if they really wanted to. I suppose you could put this up against the front glass of your tank so the hamster wouldn't go through the hole if you wanted to be safe. But just look at this adorable artwork, and this will match perfectly with my other mushroom-themed platform that I got back in January. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this item next, and I completely forgot I had ordered these dried pumpkin bites. Okay, so I never showed any videos of this, but I had tried giving Sprocket and Rivet some fresh pumpkin back in autumn of last year, and they both loved it so much, so I decided to try out these dried pumpkin bites so that they can still eat it year-round, and it makes for a very healthy treat. And yes, just so you guys know, I did sniff these, and they smell amazing, like good enough to want to sample them myself, so I highly recommend. They also included a free gift like they always do, and this time they've included some strawberry bite treats which look really cute and yummy, almost like little baby food pieces, and I might have to sample these too, but I love the strawberry DIY holder that someone must have made, and it's really cute and creative. So they always include these little Bible verse cards in your order too, which are lovely to keep and reflect on. And sometimes they include a free sticker or two. Now, I ordered a couple of these stickers as well because they're being clearanced out right now, and these particular ones always make me smile when I see them. I haven't decided yet where to display them, but hopefully I'll come up with a good place to put them, and maybe I'll show you guys sometime later on this year if I put them up somewhere in the hamster room. Tell me which one of these stickers is your favorite and let me know in the comments below. Alright, so we are up to our last and final item now, and this one is going to be a very unique hideout. This is the Desert Cafe hide, and this went out of stock many months ago, and I was very disappointed when that happened because I really liked it, but recently it came back in stock again, so I was like, yippee! And I was able to grab one, and I think it's already gone back out of stock again. It must be really popular, but hopefully it will come back if any of you are interested in getting it. This hideout is so elegant and unique, like I've never seen anything like it before. It's also way bigger than I expected it to be, and it can absolutely work for a Syrian and a dwarf. Here's my little stand-in Syrian hamster double to give you an idea of size, since Sprocket doesn't really enjoy coming out for videos or photo shoots. So thank you Happy Hamstery for another great order, and I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's unboxing video, and I look forward to sharing another one in a few more weeks' time. By the way, I'm also using a new mic to record today's voiceover, so I hope it didn't sound too wonky because I'm still trying to learn what adjustments and levels to have it on and stuff to sound kind of normal, so anyways, thank you guys for your support and for watching my video, and I will see you again in a little bit, okay? Take care. Bye!